Hey traders, Philip Tigerson here from Stock Market Strategy. Before I start, I just want to say that trading involves risk and hard work, so please do your own due diligence before trading for real money. Today I'm going to talk about ascending triangles. I will explain the requirements for this chart pattern and how to spot them. Furthermore, I'll explain the psychology behind the pattern and then show you how to trade the ascending triangle. If you go to our website www.stock-market-strategy.com, you'll find a tab called Education, Chart Patterns, Ascending Triangle. Here you'll find a written explanation including two charts, one showing you the requirements and the other one showing you how to trade the ascending triangle. Ascending triangle is a bullish continuation pattern, meaning we'll be looking to trade in the direction of an already established uptrend. The ascending triangle gives us the consolidation the stock needs in order to continue up. Ascending triangle is a real-time tool, whereas an indicator is lacking. This is one of the reasons this pattern is widely used. Another reason for its popularity is that the pattern is very common and easy to spot. Here are the requirements for the ascending triangle. First, we need an established uptrend prior to the pattern. This is because this pattern is a continuation pattern, so it needs a prior trend to continue. Second, we need equal highs, at least two, but here we got 3 equal highs. Third, we need higher lows, and it's very normal to see a decreasing volume inside this pattern, this consolidation. So the decreasing volume, it's not a must, but it's often seen. 5 and 6 is the trend lines we can draw from those high and lows, and for those equal highs. It's these trend lines which makes up the ascending triangle. And 7, this is very important, is that at the breakout we get the confirmation that it is an ascending triangle. So not until we get the breakout is this pattern confirmed. And it's very normal to see increased volume on the breakout. This is extra confirmation suggesting that this breakout is valid. I like this pattern because I understand why it works. It uses the psychology in trading because you can see when other traders in emotional and financial pain. Here's an example. We got a high over here where people perhaps go short on this move down. It comes up here and forms an equal high, so people might go short here as well based on the fact that they think it's the beginning of a double top. Then it's moved down, so forms a higher low. This is when people go in the hope phase saying it will drop despite of a higher low. This higher low should warn them. It comes up here and it tests again and they go like a triple top, let's go short. This is just more confirmation, more evidence they think. But then we get the breakout, and in this case even a gap as a breakout. So they have no chance of getting out intrabar here. It gaps up and all the traders went short here, here and here are underwater overnight because of the gap. So it adds short covering and panic. So this pattern feeds on losing traders. Okay, you now know the requirements for this pattern, and you also know why and how the pattern works. It uses the psychology in trading. Let's look at the entries. The first entry is when you get the confirmation that it is a triangle. It's here, when it closes above the resistance, this resistance line and these 3 equal highs. Here you're getting a gap as well. You don't always get that at the breakout. When you get a gap, it's just extra confirmation that these people got trapped overnight. Another thing about this breakout is nice to see a volume increase at the breakout. This bar here. It gives you extra confirmation as well. Another place to go long is at the pullback to the triangle. You don't always get this pullback, but if and when you do, you got a high odds trade as well. You never get a close below the trend line, so this pattern is still intact, so you can go long here. I normally enter a pullback to a support area by using a bar suggesting buyers coming in, and I see that on this bar here. We open here, move down, and then we see the buyers coming in, pushing the price up again, and it closes up here. Because the close is not at the high of the bar suggesting a lot of buyers coming in, I wait for a little bit more evidence, and that is a price bar taking out the high of this, which happens 2 bars after, here. So that's the entry on this second opportunity. This ends today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos.